going 8.7 knots. We have the tide going with us, so that's helping. It's pushing us along. We just left Beaufort, South Carolina. We're on our way to Savannah for Thanksgiving. We'll be spending with our nephew, which will be very nice. We're cruising in the Atlantic Ocean. And Steve is in the lazarette trying to turn on the water maker for the first time. Little Miss Maddie. So far everything's going well. Glenn's 20. You've got a depth of like 63 feet here. 7.6, 7.7 speed. So far we're doing all right. It's not too choppy out here. Oh, getting ready to get into our anchorage. Looks like it's going to be a pretty sunset tonight. It's going to be a very mild evening, 4-mile-an-hour winds, which is a nice break from how it had been previously. So we're looking forward to a calm evening. And that is Luna up ahead. We've been following along with them, but after tomorrow morning, they'll be breaking off and going normal course. So rebels, and this sunset gets prettier and prettier. Just absolutely beautiful anchorage. It's a beautiful evening. It is so very still. Giving you a quick video while we're underway. We've got about 13 knots wind off our beam. Cooking breakfast and eggs. I've got some potatoes in here that I cooked, just keeping them warm. Got bacon, microwave. I've got some bread going for tonight's dinner. And just to give you an idea what it looks like outside here. A little choppy. Not too bad though. Morning, Captain Steve.
Good morning, Admiral Cindy.
What's going on?
Well, we're traveling from Beaufort to Wrightsville Beach. So we are about 70 nautical miles from Wrightsville Beach. Great, no, that's destination. We are 60 miles from Wrightsville Beach, or so from the inlet. We're going direct across in the ocean versus going through the ICW for several reasons. Number one, it's a more direct route, so we can get there much easier by going directly. But also, there's a bridge under construction. The Oslo Bridge is under construction and is closed until Friday. Today's Wednesday. It's closed to Friday, I believe. So we'd have to stay in Beaufort. If we didn't take this route, we'd be staying in Beaufort until Saturday. So no need to do that. Then we can just go outside, which is the preferred way to go anyway. We've got a great weather window today. The winds are low. Well, right now they're saying 10 knots true wind speed, which is actually more than they were predicting. I think right now they're supposed to be close to calm or 5 to 6 knots, so it's not too bad. I mean, we don't feel it's not hurting us at all. It's right in the nose. And we're supposed to have the best seas of the week at 1 to 2 feet, which is 0 to 1.5 feet or so, which is I think pretty much what we have right now. It's not bad. So that's where we're at.
We just came in from the ocean. We're about 8 hours on the ocean. It was a little bumpy at first, but then it was fine. But Steve, what do we have for winds? Maybe 18 out on the ocean?
No, it never got that high, but probably 10 to 15. But the seas were the real issue because we were kind of expecting 1 to 1.5 foot because that's what was predicted. But we were probably closer to 3 feet for a while there, water over the side, that kind of thing. But actually, it wasn't that bad a ride. The boat takes it very well, so just another day out of Selene.
We're headed to Carolina Beach. We're going to pick up a mooring ball. We should be getting in around dusk. So we'd like to be able to be secured because tomorrow and the next couple of days is supposed to be gusty winds.
Oh, do you see him in front of us? He just was in front of us. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Holy cow, this dock is just rocking. Oh, holy cow. Man, oh man. So we're in the calm of the storm because of Bella Vita here. Here we are. Hardly moving. In fact, actually, my anemometer says it's 8 knots of wind.
I think that's my partner down there trying to put another bunker.
Man, yeah. It's pretty crazy.
Holding in place for the Great Bridge Lock. We got a 600-foot cargo ship ahead of us, and Luna, Katie Krogan, I think it's a 52 or 53. We just met them the other night. Really nice couple. And just give a quick hand view. It's a beautiful sunny calm day, which is nice, because the past 3 days were not. They were quite windy. So we could see behind us, we have a waiting line. We've got another vessel. Hopefully he will stay in line and hold in place. And then we've got a sailboat. So just waiting on the lock. You can see the Great Bridge is going up, and the barge is gonna run through it. We'll be right behind him. And everybody's trying to make a run for it there.